keep watching to see how I made this bonfire cake out of just chocolate cupcakes, chocolate buttercream, matchsticks and boiled fruit sweets. This is great to do for a party or just to do with the kids, or a really good way just to use up leftover cake and buttercream. So for this I am using chocolate cupcakes that I've got left over. You can use whatever flavour you want. And I'm just going to unwrap them all from the wrappers, and then I'm going to pile them up into a bonfire shape. I'm going to pile them up now onto here. I have already had a bit of a play around to see what position. So I've decided to do 4, and then 3, and then 1 on the top, like that. The great thing about a bonfire is it's not perfect. And then I think I'm going to use this one just to cut up and fill in the gaps, and I'm going to attach them all together with chocolate buttercream and pile them up. I'm going to put this in the freezer now, or you could put it in the fridge just to really firm up, and then I'm going to go round it with my buttercream. So for the flames, I am crushing up some Fox's Glacier mints, and I'm going to put them in the microwave and melt them. So I melted this in the microwave for about 25 to 30 seconds, and it's made like a flamey shape. So I'm just going to do some more now, and then there will be the flames for the bonfire.
Why don't you swirl it with a toothpick?
Oh yeah, could swirl it with a toothpick. Let's try that. So that's what it looks like when I've peeled it off, which I think looks quite flamey. So all I do is crush them up with I used a knife, or you can just bash them, and I just put them randomly. This is greaseproof paper. In random flamey shapes, and then just microwave for 25 to 30 seconds until it starts to bubble. Don't touch them when they're like this, because they're really, really hot, and they will burn you. But one thing you can do is kind of move it around and trickle it into like shapes. It doesn't take long to cool down, it only takes a couple of minutes, but when it's just out the microwave it will be bubbling and super hot, so please be careful. You can also swirl them around a bit with a toothpick, or make the shape a little bit more flamey while they've just come out the microwave. That's been in the freezer for a while now, so it's firmed up, so I'm going to go around with my chocolate buttercream. Wouldn't be a bonfire cake without matchmakers, so I've got a pack of matchmakers here, and I'm just going to put them all around the outside. I'm going to put the flames in now. The great thing about these as well is you can just snap them if they're a bit big. Yeah, so I'm just going to put all these in all over to look like the fire.